Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is S.G.M Creations Tutorial Travels and Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Valentine's table centerpiece. I have here a wine glass. So all we need is only wine glass and this heart shape. I have here 4 pieces of heart shape. What is this? Is red, silver, green, and blue, and we will add some more colors. So all we need just to put on the center of this glass. This is very easy project. And I have here this ribbon. This is a red ribbon. All we need is to fix it here in the center, and we'll need to fix only with the use of Scotch tape, and this is a very easy project. All we need is to cover here in the center. Okay, so we will just put a little bit of this Scotch tape to fix both ends of this ribbon in order to decorate our wine glass. Just simply fix it with the use of Scotch tape. Just fix it in the center. Okay, because this is just a temporary, so we will just use Scotch tape. Look at here. So this is already in the center. So this one is from the recycled Christmas decoration. All you have to do in order to form like this heart shape. So this is like a steel wool type. This one is a recycled Christmas decoration. All you have to do, fix it here on the top, on the both ends of this wire, and just simply press this one in the center and form it into a heart shape like this. Okay, just simply form it heart shape like this. Look, and fold this one here. Okay, so you have an instant heart shape. So this one I did not fix it like that because I want to decorate also this one with a flower. So I have here an artificial flower. This is patches or embroidered patches for the blouse, for the pants. This is a ready-made, so I'm going to fix it here on the center by using this adhesive glue, because this is just a temporary Valentine's decoration. You can use this adhesive tape, or you can use a Scotch tape, because we need only a little bit only in this portion and on the bottom side. Okay, because this is a temporary for the Valentine's is only 1 day. So this one I have to cover this one. Okay, so look at here. So you can use also hot glue if you want to fix it permanent, but since the Valentine's it's only 1 day, so we will fix only very little glue so that we can remove it after the Valentine. So this is our instant Valentine's table centerpiece. You can use like this as your table centerpiece, and you can also use this for the drinking of your wine or water. So this one looks like this. So to add beauty, we will add these different colors of heart shape. Okay, and you can display this one in your look. So it is different colors. So now you have already an instant table centerpiece, this one. So I hope you like this tutorial on how to create an instant table centerpiece wine glass decorated with ornaments. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll stay connected so that you will learn how to create more DIY project from S.G.M creations and tutorials. So this is our instant table centerpiece for the Valentine's Day. Look at here. This is a very simple with the use of ribbon fixed with a Scotch tape, and this one just fix a little bit with a adhesive glue and put some hearts on the top with the different colors so that you have an instant beautiful centerpiece. And you can put this one in your serving plate as look at here, I have here a plain serving plate, so you can put in your plates like this. Look at here. So this will be your simple table centerpiece. You can add also some flowers like this. Look, you can add some flowers on it. 3 flowers, look. So this is our instant DIY Valentine's table centerpiece. So thank you for watching. And again, thank you to all my subscribers for helping me grow. And now I have already 2,550 subscribers. So without you, I will never have this number of subscribers. So thank you very much for your support. For every time that I will upload videos, you are supporting me, you are watching my videos. So please stay connected, stay tuned. I will upload more videos every day. And also please watch my travel vlogs wherein I am capturing beautiful views from Germany, especially in the Black Forest and some other areas like in Switzerland. So maraming salamat sa mga subscribers ko. So ngayon, nakaabot na ako ng 2,500 kahit paano pa unti-unti nakaabot din ng 2,550 ang S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Daghang salamat. Ug mauni ang akong DIY Valentine's project. Okay? Bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao. I will show you more DIY Valentine's projects. So please watch my new upload videos and my live streaming for my DIY project. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Bye-bye.